Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 2. Dota 2 is a thrilling 5 versus 5 multiplayer online battle arena game where two teams compete to destroy the opposing team's ancient. Each player selects one of over 120 unique heroes, each possessing distinct abilities and playstyles. Understanding your hero's role and working with your team are crucial for victory. Matches usually span from 30 to 60 minutes, offering intense strategic gameplay. Every hero in Dota 2 falls into one of three primary attributes: strength, agility, or intelligence, influencing their core stats. Beyond attributes, heroes fulfill specific roles like carry, support, offlane, or mid lane. Carries are powerful damage dealers who scale into the late game, needing early protection. Supports focus on helping their team with vision, healing, and disabling enemies, ensuring a strong start. Core gameplay revolves around laning, where you earn gold and experience by defeating enemy creeps. Mastering last hitting is vital. Delivering the final blow to an enemy creep grants you gold. Conversely, denying your own low health creeps prevents enemies from gaining full experience and gold. Gold is then spent on items, which significantly boost your hero's power and abilities throughout the match. Teamwork is paramount in Dota 2. Coordinated teamfights are essential for securing map control and key objectives. Destroying enemy towers progressively opens up the map, allowing access to their base. Defeating Roshan, a powerful neutral boss, grants the Aegis of the Immortal, a temporary second life. Ultimately, a well-executed, coordinated push on the enemy ancient is the path to achieving victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.